And over here is the gold standard for sustainability, because a lot of people get themselves confused when it comes to the definition of sustainability. It's not just how sustainable is the cotton, it has to do with the social responsibility, the people behind the order, manufacturing the order. Are they well taken care of? Do they have medical insurance? Is it fair wages? So we exceed those requirements, namely from the social audit, Meta Pillar 4. And this is basically the gold standard, has to do with not just the accreditations that we have, but what our suppliers have. Because it's important to note that you have to have a transparent supply chain, so everyone who is supplying us hold the same values and are committed towards a sustainable business model. So from when the cotton is planted, to when it is spun into yarn, to when it's delivered to us and knitted into socks, so everyone shares the same common values and purpose moving forward.